Oh, and since you have so many opinions on government policies and current affairs, how about sharing your constructive views with the government directly?
Troublesome leh.
I heard it's easy with CrowdTaskSG.
CrowdTaskSG.
Did you mention CrowdTaskSG? Let me share and guide you on how to get started.
It's time for Gayle Guides.
CrowdTaskSG is an initiative by GovTech that enables government agencies in Singapore to engage citizens and gather insights through crowdsourcing tasks. You can easily create an account on the web portal at crowdtask.gov.sg. The tasks include surveys, opinion polls, choice questions, and translation requests. You are eligible to create an account if you are a Singapore citizen or permanent resident aged 18 years and above with a SingPass account. By sharing your views and co-creating with government agencies to shape a smarter nation, you will be rewarded with virtual coins and experience points. Coins can be used to redeem cash rewards at participating merchants that support Net's QR code payment. Experience points helps you climb the ranks in the CrowdTaskSG community. When you reach new ranks, you will earn extra coins. I will share more about how you can redeem your CrowdTaskSG coins in another Gayle Guides video. Here's how you can sign up for an account in under a minute. Step 1. Visit crowdtask.gov.sg. Step 2. Click on Sign Up with SingPass button and click Login with SingPass. After being directed to the SingPass page, you can either tap on the QR code, scan the QR code, or do a password login to your SingPass account. All done. Welcome to the CrowdTaskSG community. After logging in, check out the recommended tasks on your home page. Explore the menu on the side for quests, tasks, rewards, or to refer your friends to sign up.
Thanks for sharing with us about CrowdTaskSG. Can't wait to share our voices on topics that we are passionate about and get rewarded.
Time to sign up and earn those points.
No problem. Always happy to help.